Hello guys, hope you have viewed my previous tutorial on computer networks. If not, please watch it and come back to this for better understanding. So let's start. What is a firewall? A firewall is nothing but a barrier introduced between your computer or a computer network and the internet. So let's say here is our firewall. This is your PC. This your network. And this is internet. As you can see, the firewall stands in the middle of your PC or network and the internet. In a way, we can compare the firewall to a security guard standing in front of our gate. The security guard will scan all the visitors coming to our home at the gate. If the visitor is safe, the security guard will allow him to come to your place. This will help the person staying inside the home to stay safe and secure. By default, the security guard will not let people like marketing agents, buggers, people carrying deadly weapons, robbers, etc. to enter your room. In addition to that, you can also ask the security guard to block some specific people too. This is exactly the job a firewall will do. A firewall will scan all the network data, it's called packets, coming to your home network or your PC. It reads the packet, and if it's a malicious packet, it will block the packet from entering your network. There are two kinds of firewall, the hardware firewall and the software firewall. A software firewall is a software installed in a user system. Your PC will be having a Windows firewall which protects your PC. But big banks and corporates cannot manage firewall in every system. So they need a firewall that protects all of its users in its network. So they'll be using a hardware firewall which protects the whole network, not just the individual PC. The hardware firewall will filter the packets from the hardware layer itself so that the packet won't even reach the software layer. So it will be lightning fast. This will give the strongest security, but the price for hardware firewalls are very high and normal users cannot afford it. Now let's see how a corporate can use a firewall. A corporate can block the access to Facebook for all its employees. The administrator just has to add a rule to block Facebook and its IP, and all employees will get a message saying the website is blocked. The administrator can also block the access based on specific words also. So if someone tries to access a website which has offensive words in the domain name, the access will be blocked. This feature will be used by administrators to block porn sites, social network sites, etc. In addition to that, a good firewall will come with a default list of websites that need to be blocked for corporates. So the administrator will just have to select the category and those websites will be blocked. See here is the corporate network. This is the firewall. This is an employee of the corporate. And this is an unknown person. Many corporates will let their employees to work from home. The corporate will allow its employees to access the company's servers even when they are at home. For preventing other persons from accessing the corporate servers and resources, they can add a firewall rule which enables only its employees to access the computer network. This employee is trying to access the corporate server, and the firewall is giving permission to the employee to access it. Now let's say this unknown person is trying to access the corporate network. The firewall will block the access. I hope that's enough for getting a very basic idea of what a firewall is and why it is being used. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up to the video and write a nice comment. Bye.